Hey guys, I'm back. I have no voice, so I'm sorry about that. Your girl has been sick for like 3 days now, but I still go to work. I still do everything I have to do, but my voice now is like gone. And I've been so sick, I think I even lost more weight on top of that. Like, look. Yeah. So today I'm off. I was like, ugh, I need them done. I need the nails done, so, and then toes done. I have to do a quick one to the nail salon. Yeah, it's literally 12:30. And I basically just woke up, like, and then just like go to the shower, and then here I am 30 minutes later. I haven't eaten nothing. I ate yesterday, like 12:30. I was at work. Depuis less à manger, and like basically 12:30 again, 24 hours. I haven't been eating nothing. The only thing I've been having is this Ricola. Yeah, it helps really, really well. And then I've been having this, and I carry a tissue box with me because my nose, you know. I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Or I'll see you guys when I get to the nail salon. Alright guys, I'm sick. Oh. Are you on? What are you doing? Hey guys, your girl is back. She's back. Girl, I've been sick. I mean, I say girl. Guys, I've been sick for the past 5 days now. I'm getting better today. That's why you guys haven't seen any video. I haven't posted anything. There's an instant. I'm smelling something. I don't know where it's coming from. Patrick! Qui va te mettre ensemble? Pot là, because that smell is too much. You see? La 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 la. Saute ma drop. Okay guys, oh there it is. I'm back. I'm better. I'm better today. For the past 4 days, 4 to 5 days. Oh my gosh. Hey baby. No, what are you wearing? So yeah guys, so we're getting ready to go out. Il est exactement 48 degrés dehors. Il y a bel soleil. I don't know. Nous guys still dans les voix mon petit genre like pour qu'on fin clanet. But I'm getting there. They actually 45. I hope you guys can vendre dehors because like don't bel soleil dehors, so we'll see. So nous voilà avec nous guys. No, it's Saturday. Come on, do this. Say good morning.
Nope.
Why not? You wasn't feisty this morning. Now the camera is on you feisty now. This is how I dress up today. Just jeans, Converse. Then I'm taking this new baby out today. Oops. Look, I still have this. I have to take it off. I don't know if... Yeah, ça bon.
Allons tout dehors, fait frais. Ok.
Ma zipper ça, baby. Talk to my people. Talk to your people.
No.
You haven't seen them in a while.
What's up, y'all?
He was sick too, guys.
Yeah, let's see.
You
Is there no trend? Got to be sick.
but you were better
look
than
cool.
me. What?
They made it, on va te tâcher. On va faire un autre sous moi.
You like my
Something
bag?
is missing.
You like my bag?
You ready?
I love it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm just getting my glasses from Tasha Sassoon, guys, because we're going to do our buy. Yeah.
What is this?
The camera, thing. So yeah, guys. This is the third one I've been using. I've been using this to blow my nose. Ça c'est troisième. Depuis le malade là, c'est troisième ma puce. You know?
Mais fait mal à pied là toujours.
He doesn't want to kiss me because he says like malade pi mal.
Et puis moi je te fais à tout.
Yes.
Chaque jour bon je te fais. Par contre ça me caille demain.
Mpa jete fatra,
Comme si
okay?
avenir m'a fait déjà.
I don't throw the garbage away. He has to do it. Don't do it, ladies. That's his job to do, okay? I don't throw it away. Okay. And guys, we are ready to go. I'll see you guys later. He always made it before me, guys. Oh, he's talking to his mama.
On paquet de route nous va le faire là. On paquet de route pour nous le faire là.
Ou ba dap mare pou mwen?
Eh bien ouais.
Apen moute machine la, mwen de la pale avon. Oh, te kanel.
Oublié cannelle là.
Yeah, maman te dim sa oubliye.
Ouais.
Yes.
Ah.
Non mba vle jejam. Mete wom. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Ah ben,
Go to Todo. Bye. You guys, we are at Costco trying to find a parking now.
It's not that easy.
Not next apal fek soti la, li pal mette kat sa la, so kampe la. Yeah. Sam gone? Okay. Wapwe sinek la bab soti. Yeah, we got it. And it's a close one. Good afternoon, good wash?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. He's mad at somebody who was gonna take the spot. Okay, guys, let's go to Costco. Yeah, guys, so we just made another card because we had one before. How long ago?
What?
The one that we had before, the Costco card?
Like 3, 4, 5
Before 5 years ago? And then we stopped using it. And today,
But this one we don't have to pay every year.
yeah, so we just opened another one and we are ready to shop.
Okay, I see food.
You see fruits? Huh? Okay, take this one. Alright guys, so far we have mango, shabet, we have mango and grapes, bread. Oh, they have some good bread. Don't take those bread, baby. They say the bread Costco game mayo. Papa bread style. I'll show you what I like. This is the bread. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the bread. I haven't eaten this bread like in forever. I got the bread. Huh? No, I got my bread. $5.
What?
The bread.
Vous faites un jeûne? Dans le pays, ça va être bien ça.
Le pile, on va obliger. Moi, j'ai une city. Right? You don't want the croissant?
No, that's too much. Okay. Those look good. I don't know. That's too much because, you know,
we're not gonna eat it, yeah. If they have like smaller ones.
So you got the bread?
No, we don't need this.
Okay, so you're gonna go for the meat? Yeah?
Let's go for the meat. Yeah.
Is that chicken? Sliced apples.
Wow. $2. What the heck? What are those spices?
$94. I like that one.
You know you eat those cold, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
You want what?
Well, we can get a whole bunch, you know, at the Chinese store.
You want a wrap? Chicken wrap? You want chicken wraps? Who usually win?
So it's just for like just one day.
Uh-huh.
One day.
Yeah. Take one. It's $30, right? Yeah, we're not gonna cook the whole thing. Yeah. Oh, ça aussi cuit seulement. We can fry them for fried chicken. That's a lot of freaking chicken for $8. Getting fresh fish. Oh my god. Yeah, of course you got it in the freezer. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. We're getting fish. Let's look at the salmon. How much? This one is 23. 20 something dollars. Baby, can we leave the fish and get a salmon? No?
Yes.
Can we leave the fish and get a salmon? N'a pas de fish là, $23 fish là. Non, comment pour salmon non l'autre là, 3 fish là.
What? We've been here before, right?
Yeah, ça c'est boneless.
Hey, we got to go that way for the water. Oh, cheesy. Might have more.
We can get ooh, these are fried shrimp. I have no idea. 40, 50. 40, 50. The box is that size. Carrot, right? Yeah, yeah. That much else, yeah, right? Oh, nice. Napoli? No, say no, okay. Oh, I really. These are pizza. These are my thick pizzas, actually. Uh-huh.
One box, $9.99. Thin and crispy pizza.
Thin and crispy?
Yes, $6.
Oh wow, then that should be good for the price. Did you read thin and crispy?
Well,
Baweli.
thin and crispy pizza.
Na boîte?
A full box?
Yeah.
No.
Ça open, I don't want that. Here. Okay guys, so we have, do we have enough? I think we do. We have enough juice. So look at all the water. Okay, now we're getting waters. Oh, sorry. you doing?
I'm doing things that you can't do.
You're looking at murder with this one like that.
I forgot where we parked.
You did?
Okay, so on the other side then.
I know.
Oh, I know?
I did.
Well, I'm looking for the car. Oh, there it is. So you say I look weird with it, right? Yeah. Puis l'aime du mal le fait là.
Because you're holding it backwards.
So now
okay,
we're
I'm just doing it loud. This is where we're going now, guys. We're going to. Is that how you pronounce it? Lido?
Lidl.
Lidl.
Go ahead, you. Is that little pie?
Apple pie there. What does this spot here?
Just left. Go ahead, you little pie. Look who's talking. It's not little pie, right? So what is it?
Oh, baby. Allez. Kembe, ouvre le pour vous. Paulino, tu veux passer là pour prendre? I'm gonna eat one now.
Yeah.
Plein coussin. Non, l'autre pot.
1, 2, 3. Ah.
All day. I have a lot of things today. You get a few points. Of course, you want cookie.
That's the macadamia, the chocolate.
They have sugar cookie. Sugar cookie. Put sugar cookie. For me, the last one.
This one, right?
Yeah. Oh, put some more, baby.
So we did another bag.
Why are you getting so many cookies?
So we made it inside now. Oh, okay.
What for me?
So what else?
One
One of those?
donut jelly, the jelly donut.
Okay, we done, right?
I think we're done, yeah.
Jelly donut.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to pay this. Now we're looking for a jelly donut. Okay, Patrick got all the pastries for himself. Now he's running. Oh, why you can't even close it? You never.
I can't close it.
He can never close the box, you guys. There it is, guys.
I don't think so.
Whoa.
No?
Yeah, I'm going to eat this.
You belly?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes, baby, they look good. And they look good for the age too.
Yeah.
I bet you again.
They've been together for 40 years.
Yeah. Guys, we are back. We are back. I'm making everything where they belong. Okay. Guys, nous pas faire moitié dans ça, on peut sauter pour le régler. Right? What did you put in this? Oh. Look at this, you guys. Hello.
Oh shit! That kind of good. See that?
Yes,
Go back, do see that one.
I see it already.
This is Jack.
Oh, voilà, tu peux la mettre dans le salade. Ok. Je mets les blocs là déjà. Then we have this. Watch this side.
Combien de ça?
4.
4 kilos ça?
Uh-huh.
You don't have to let the chickens out. Shit.
I'm showing you what we got, guys. We got grapes. We have juices. So we make up in the frigidaire. Get a pretty proper in the frigidaire. We have this whole thing of napkin. So you leave it là. Yep. We have fish. We're gonna cook this today. We're only gonna cook 2.
Well, we do it to the coffee. What do you think?
Oh, nothing to do now? Why am I gonna put this?
Yeah, you should have you.
Also, guys, we have pizza.
Hey.
What?
Pass.
Yeah, baby, one by one.
Salado.
I'm showing them. We have pizza.
Oh, what? Eh?
Okay. Where are my noodles? We have a lot of noodles, you guys. My favorite noodle. Look. These are so good. I live for them, like. Seriously. Show them your fish.
C'est dans notre montre nous parle même c'est ça que c'est mon fish. Il y a 4 belles graines fish là, 4 belles graines poisson là, on va le boulonner. Kidi.
Mais combien de ça qui gagne? 2, 4, 6. Il gagne 6 comme ça. Chaque gagne 4 là. Wow, the fish are big.
4 poissons ça vous $16 par exemple.
No, that says.
Less than
Is
that?
it?
Yeah, $16. Parce que on a acheté 2 dans notre market.
And you guys, we have this whole
Hold up. That's your
rib. We plat qui est un deux. Un deux, so longueur ça, plus on l'autre longueur ça qui est dans ça encore. Yep. I'm going to season up in the meat, yo.
When you're done, can you check out my fish?
A lot of them are already done seasoning. This is 2 fishes right here. Get done seasoning. I have some chicken already seasoning. I also have some ribs already seasoning. So nous avons un ribs là qui peut seasoning, un autre ribs là avec plein de chicken derrière qui peut seasoning.
Quoi that's cream now?
Il est là somewhere.
So that get go fish.
Yeah, fish because fish will bien clean. Frais quand tu es. Okay, guys, this is the fish.
That Patrick made.
Yeah, you did that. Patrick Kifeli.
Et il va même craser même. Parce qu'on est là pour la cuite.
Yeah.
Et si tu fais un bal tout petit.
Yep. Looks so good. It tastes so good. That's my son. And there. Okay, ça c'est du rial, du shrimp, vegetable.
On dit vegetable, on y va comprendre. On dit carotte.
Yep.
Poiton.
They should know what vegetable is.
Shrimp là. Qu'est-ce que tu shrimp en français encore?
this is the final look. This is my plate. My only plate. And this is Patrick's.
That's right, that's me. Fried rice with shrimps and vegetables.
Uh-huh.
You got belle grain poisson, fish.